Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path discussion series by UPLATS. In this video, we will discuss the career path of an IT trainer. So how can IT trainers effectively bridge the gap between rapidly evolving technology and employees' ability to adapt, ensuring that teams not only understand new tools but can use them to drive business success? According to a 2023 survey, organizations that invest in ongoing IT training for their employees experience a 30% increase in productivity and a 25% decrease in technical errors, highlighting the significant value IT trainers bring to both employee performance and business success. So let's begin the session. We will see the agenda for the discussion. So we will be covering these topics: introduction, roles and responsibilities, salaries, skills and certifications, career opportunities and growth, conclusion and call to action. Introduction to IT training. An IT trainer is a professional responsible for teaching individuals or groups about various information technology tools, software, and systems. Their primary role is to help people improve their technical skills, whether for personal development, professional enhancement, or as part of a company's employee training program. IT trainers may focus on specific technologies such as operating systems, software applications, networking, cybersecurity, and programming languages. With the ever evolving nature of technology, the role of IT trainers has become crucial in ensuring that employees and individuals stay up to date with the latest IT trends and tools. As business and industries continue to depend heavily on technology, the demand for qualified IT trainers is growing. Whether in educational institutions, corporate settings, or as freelancers, IT trainers have significant opportunities to share their knowledge and skills with others. So, who is an IT trainer? An IT trainer is a professional responsible for designing, preparing, and delivering training sessions that teach others how to use technology effectively. IT trainers can work in various environments, such as corporate training programs, providing training to employees on new software, systems, and processes, educational institutions, teaching IT related courses at schools, colleges, and universities, freelancers or consultants, vendor specific training. IT trainers must not only have technical knowledge but also an excellent communication and teaching skills to convey complex concepts to a diverse audience, ranging from beginners to advanced users. Roles and responsibilities of an IT trainer. What are the roles and responsibilities of an IT trainer? The roles and responsibilities of an IT trainer can vary depending on their workplace, but typical roles and responsibilities can be curriculum development, designing training materials, courses, and programs that align with specific IT skills, So curriculum development, designing training materials, courses, and programs that align with specific IT skills and technologies. This can include creating user guides, presentations, quizzes, and practical exercises. Delivering training, assessing learners, evaluating participants' skills and knowledge through assessments, tests, and practical activities. IT trainers may provide feedback and tailor their approach based on individual or group needs. Updating training materials, providing support, offering ongoing support to trainees after sessions, answering questions, and clarifying doubts. Trainers may provide assistance through help desks, forums, or one on one sessions, technical troubleshooting, customization, and reporting. Additional duties may include reporting, customization, continuous learning, mentoring and support, technological updates. Skills and certifications required. Be a successful IT trainer, several skills are required, including both technical and interpersonal capabilities. In-depth knowledge of IT tools, systems, or software that will be taught. This includes proficiency in programming languages, operating systems, networking, or specific technologies like cloud computing or cybersecurity. Communication skills, presentation skills. IT trainers should be able to troubleshoot technical issues on the spot to provide solutions to learners' problems during training. Adaptability, patience, and empathy. Time management, continuous learning. Certifications. While an IT trainer does not necessarily need formal academic qualifications, certain education levels and certifications can improve job prospects. Bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, software engineering, or related fields. While a degree is helpful, practical experience with IT systems, applications, or programming can also be just as valuable. Certified technical trainers, Microsoft certified technical trainer, Cisco certified network associate, AWS certified solutions architect, so certified information systems, security professional, IT support professional certificate, a certification offered by Google that prepares IT professionals to teach the basics of IT support. So these certifications are necessary. Career opportunities and growth. As the technology continues to advance, the demand for skilled IT trainers is growing. The career path of an IT trainer can include senior IT trainer, training manager, instructional designer, corporate trainer, consultant, freelance IT trainer. So, with experience and continuous professional development, you can transition into higher level roles or expand your services to a global audience. So, what are the salary expectations for IT trainers? Salary for an IT trainer can vary depending on factors such as experience, location, industry, and whether the trainer is self-employed or employed by a company. However, an entry-level IT trainer can earn up to $45,000 to $60,000 per year. A mid-level IT trainer can earn between $60,000 to $80,000 per year. A senior IT trainer can earn between $80,000 to $100,000 per year. Freelance IT trainers can earn between $100 to $150 per hour based on expertise, location, and demand. Salaries may be higher in large metropolitan areas or regions with a high demand for specialized IT trainers. Tips to start your journey: gaining relevant experience, networking opportunities, building a personal brand. Conclusion and call to action. Becoming an IT trainer is an excellent career choice for those passionate about both technology and teaching. IT trainers play a critical role in helping individuals and organizations harness the power of technology to improve productivity and achieve business goals. So, if you have a deep interest in IT and enjoy helping others learn and grow, an IT trainer role could be your ideal career path. Start by developing your technical expertise, earning relevant certifications, and gaining practical teaching experience. Stay up to date with industry trends and continue honing your communication skills. Your ability to empower others with valuable IT knowledge will make you an essential resource in today's technology driven world. Thank you.